So welcome back ulit sa aming video. Tayo ay maglalaro ng New Valley Research. Ito nga yun mga kapudi. Ngayon daw, maglalaro tayo ng New Valley Research. Ako to, si Frankie. Pogi na ako. Pinalitan ko ng avatar para pogi na. Mag-aantay kami ng train spanner. Mag-aantay tayo ng train. Ayun na ang train ko. Bababa ako ng ayun na yung train.
Before exiting the monorail,
Ayun
please
yung
make
train.
sure to take your
Antayin lang natin
belongings
magbukas
with
yung
you.
pinto.
Thank you and have a very
Ayun
safe
yung
and
Valley
productive
Research.
day.
Sumasakay sa train ko. Tara na. Hello, ang pogi mo naman, Spider-Man. Wow, sana all. Spider-Man. Tara guys. Guys, umilaw na. Magsasarado na yung pinto. Andar na tayo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yun si Bacon, no? Nasa baba. Bye-bye. Sasakasahan ka namin. Bye-bye, Bacon. Ha-ha-ha. Naiwan.
Good afternoon, and welcome aboard the New Valley Research Facility Transit System. This automated monorail is provided for the security and convenience of personnel, visitors, and residents within the New Valley Research Facility. The time is 1:26 p.m. The current topside temperature is 97 degrees Fahrenheit with an estimated high of 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The New Valley Research Facility is maintained at a pleasant
Dito tayo sa gilid.
67
Sa gilid
degrees
tayo.
Fahrenheit at all times.
Sa gilid
This
tayo
monorail is
dadaan.
inbound from Sector A, Central Transit Hub, to Sector D, Central Research Labs. If your intended destination is not Sector D, Central Research Labs, you need to return to the Transit Hub and board a different monorail towards your intended destination.
Ayun, may train doon, oh.
Due to the high toxicity of material routinely handled in the New Valley compound,
merong
no
train na
smoking,
kahinto.
eating, or drinking are permitted
Patay!
within the New
May
Valley
namatay!
Research Facility Transit
May
System.
narinig ako.
Please keep your limbs
May
inside
namatay.
the monorail at all times. Do not attempt to open the doors until the monorail has come to a complete halt at the station platform. In the event of an emergency, passengers are to remain seated and await further instruction. If it is necessary to exit the monorail, disabled
Wow, ganda
personnel
sa
should be
labas!
evacuated first. Please stay away from electrified rails and proceed to an emergency station until assistance arrives. If you have not yet submitted your identity to the retinal clearance system,
Antay tayo, guys.
you must
Bababa ako ng
report to New
station.
Valley personnel for processing
Yun na yun
before
yung
you'll be
gilid.
permitted into the high security branch of the transit system.
Ano yan, guys? Ayan, nandito na tayo.
I know some of you will
Ay,
make a
wala
valuable
pala.
addition to the
Sarado.
New Valley Research Facility.
Sarado pala.
Immediate openings are available in the areas of biological research and testing and low clearance security. Please contact our Civilian Recruitment Division for further information. The New Valley Research Facility is an equal opportunity employer.
Ano yan, guys? Bakit ako ng passenger?
A
Bakit isa na lang?
reminder that the New Valley Hazard
Ay,
Course
magtatabi pala ako.
Decathlon will commence this evening at 7:00 p.m. in the Level 3
Ayun, level 3 tayo.
facility at Sector D, Central Research Labs. The semifinals for high security personnel will be announced in a separate secure broadcast transmission. Remember, more lives than yours may depend on your fitness.
Uy, ano yun? Wow!
Now arriving at Sector
Ito
D,
yung train ko,
Central Research Labs.
Ano yun?
Please stand back from the automated door until it
Bababa
has
na
fully
tayo.
opened. Before exiting the
Ayun.
monorail, please make sure to take your belongings with you. Thank you and have a very
Okay,
safe and
bababa na tayo.
productive day.
Baby girl. Baba na tayo. Babay train ko. Babay na train. Under na yung train. Bye-bye, Metro Train. Salamat sa New Valley. Guys, tara na guys. Nandito na tayo sa iba. Pilit natin to. Wow! Sino to? Ang pogi yun ah. Ang daming tao eh. Pulang-pula. Parang sili. Wow. Ay, kuha ako ng soft drinks. Ito soft drinks. Hindi na ako ayun. Pindutin. Wow! Ang sarap uminom. Tago muna natin itong soft drinks. Dito tayo guys. Dito yung bahay ko eh. Ayun. Ayun, malapit na tayo. Hala. Dito tayo guys. Yes! Worker tayo. New Valley Research Facility. Worker! Bye-bye!